Hi, my name is Anjali Patil, and you are watching StyleLuna.com.
Hi, I'm Sharib Hashmi, and you're watching me on StyleLuna.com.
Hello friends, I am Sharik Sheikh and you're watching StyleLuna.com. And today with me is the spectacular starcast of film Malhar. So let's have a chat with them and find out what's more interesting in the film Malhar. So first of all, welcome to StyleLuna.com, sir. And first of all, we want to know that the trailer is getting a tremendous response. So what do you think? What has attracted the audience?
You first,
Okay,
please.
I think the best part about this film is that it's very simple, and it's on the background of Kutch, and the look of the film is very fresh. And as you can see, it's the story. There are three stories parallelly running: a story of two children, which is a story of friendship, then a tender love story of two youngsters, and then there is a story of the the three of us. So it has something for like all the audiences. So that's why I think it is received very well.
Sharid ji, aap sir.
I think, just like Anjali said, the simplicity of the film is is what I think attracting the audience, and it's made also very beautifully. I think I would say Vishal Kumbhar has done a tremendous job with the film. He's written the script and he's directed the film so beautifully. It's his debut film. In fact, while we were shooting the film, I never realized, this is his first film. He was so clear in his thought
Yeah.
and what he wanted. So I really enjoyed working with him, with Anjali, with Rishi, and the entire team was like, uh, everybody was working towards the film. So yeah, I think that's what reflects in the
Yeah.
trailer, and that's what attracted the audience also.
What is the one reason that made you all sign the script, sign the film?
For me, it was the screenplay, which was really beautifully written. Also, it's an anthology film, जो attempt बहुत कम होता है Indian cinema में. So Vishal has attempted an anthology film, and overall, it's a really. I would like to say it's a feel-good film with uh, uh, with social, with social commentary in it. But while I say that there is a social commentary in it, it's done in a very subtle and in a very simplistic way कि कहीं भी वो preachy नहीं लगती है पूरी film.
Shadri, we want to know that how similar your character is to your real life and
To my real life, no, this is completely different from Sharif Hashmi. The character I'm playing is of a tourist guide, Mohan, who's a very flamboyant, who has a very flamboyant personality, and he speaks in his broken English with the foreigners. जैसे मैं आपसे भी बात कर रहा हूँ broken English में. तो वो बड़ा मज़ेदार कैरेक्टर है, एंड आई रियली एंजॉयड पोर्ट्रेइंग द पार्ट. एक तो उसके लिए जो गुजराती कच्छी जो डायलेक्ट सीखना था, वो उसमें वो सीखने में भी बहुत मज़ा आया, क्योंकि इसके पहले कभी वो किया नहीं था. तो वो एक मेरे लिए एक चैलेंजिंग फैक्टर था. एक और जो ऊँट पे सवारी करनी थी, वो मेरे लिए बहुत चैलेंजिंग था. बट yeah, overall, I really enjoy this. Working on Malhar has been like a beautiful
Yeah.
experience for me.
Anjali, tell us something about your character and how it is similar to your real life.
Oh, I play a character named Kesar. So Kesar is very different than Anjali. Uh, she is probably far more evolved and bold than Anjali. Uh, and though she belongs to a small village and she lives in a small village, but the way Vishal has written this character is very, it's very empowering to see a female character on screen.
It is always said that the films are a mirror of society. So, do you think that the film has touched various issues of the society as well as?
Yes, absolutely. That's one of the core factor of Mallar, that the film talks about various social issues, various social conditioning through these characters.
Okay, Sharif, what's your take on that?
Absolutely. In fact, I think Vishal, while he was writing this script, he didn't keep the market norms in his mind, because whatever has come in his mind, he's written it, and without thinking about the business outcome of it. At the same time, he's made it so entertaining and so beautiful, without being preachy, without being verbose. He's said so many things beautifully, and he's touched a lot of issues which are so relative for today's audience. And I think he's done a great job, and I'm sure you will also like it.
Yeah, it's like a very easy watch. The film is an easy watch, but at the same time वो आपके आँख में जो कंकड़ है या जो भी छोटा कुछ रहता है वो भी निकालने का काम करती है.
Shahrukh ji, can we say that this character of yours will be very close to your heart of this film?
I'm sure this film is very close to my heart. The reason I did the film is because I really liked the story and what it's trying to say through its story and its characters. So, and when you work on a film, the team which you're working with is of very importance, क्योंकि you spend a lot of days together. और अगर टीम गड़बड़ है ना, तो फिर वो द एंटायर एक्सपीरियंस गोज लाइक इट बिकम्स अ बर्डन ऑन यू कि अरे यार ये खत्म करो जल्दी, यहाँ से अभी अगले शूट पे जाते हैं. दिन गिनना पड़ता है कि अब कितने दिन बचे हैं. बट दैट वाजंट द केस विद मल्हार, क्योंकि एवरीबडी वाज फ्रॉम ईच एंड एवरी डिपार्टमेंट, एवरीबडी वाज पैशनेटली वर्किंग टुवर्ड्स द फिल्म. एंड बहुत दिल से हमने फिल्म बनाई है और बहुत प्यार से बनाई है, और आई थिंक वो आप जब फिल्म देखेंगे तो आपको वो नज़र आएगा, हमारा प्यार.
Do you think nowadays we feel that the audiences are attracted to the subject-oriented film and not the big budget or like a story, not story-oriented?
नहीं नहीं, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. आई थिंक लोगों को अच्छी चीज़ देखनी है, चाहे वो मेन स्ट्रीम मसाला फिल्म हो. देखने तो ऑडियंस में लोग जाते ही हैं. जब जो भी लास्ट जो बड़ी फिल्म है, अगर उसने 300-400 करोड़ कमाए या पठान ने कमाए, तो इट वाज अ मेन स्ट्रीम मसाला फिल्म. सब्जेक्ट ओरिएंटेड अगर कोई फिल्म अच्छी लगती है तो वो भी लोग जाकर देखते ही हैं. अभी मंजुमल एक्सप्रेस, इट्स अ मलयालम फिल्म, बट इट डिड सो वेल इन बॉम्बे ऑल्सो, इन मुंबई ऑल्सो. तो मेरे ख्याल से, और वो इट वाज अ हार्डकोर लाइक सब्जेक्ट ड्रिवन फिल्म. कहानी है उसमें और कुछ नहीं है. नो बिग नेम्स. हमारे लिए तो जो मलयालम के बड़े स्टार्स हैं वो भी हमारे लिए तो वो एक्टर्स हैं, और वो उन्होंने इतना खूबसूरत काम किया, इतनी प्यारी फिल्म बनाई है. तो आई थिंक देयर इज अ प्लेस फॉर एवरीबडी. सबका को एग्जिस्टेंस है यहाँ पर. तो
Anjali ji, nowadays we see that social media is on a boom. So do you think that there are instances where we see actresses who are talented but not getting media role based on their acting talent and get role on their Instagram followers? So do you think that it's right to think that?
I don't know if it is right or wrong. It's happening. It's reality.
Yeah.
There are reasons for it because industry is based on economics, and Instagram followers, likes, clickbaits, all of this is equals to money.
Yeah.
तो फिल्में बनाने के लिए पैसे चाहिए होते हैं. So if you know, all of this is true, but at the same time I feel that आर्टिस्ट की कभी मौत नहीं हो सकती है. सो आर्टिस्ट एंड आर्ट विल सर्वाइव. दे हैव बीन सर्वाइविंग फॉर सेंचुरीज एंड ईयर्स. तो वैसे ही आई थिंक इट्स ऑल राइट. अभी ये फेस चल रही है, आई थिंक इट विल चेंज. इट विल नॉट चेंज, बट आर्ट विल रिमेन.
We have also seen that there is subject-oriented films which are on OTT platforms, and even big budget film like Hira Mandi has done so well in OTT. So do you think that in the next 5 years we can see that OTT is getting a boon and cinema is taking a setback? So what do you have to say?
OTT को तो जो बिगेस्ट बून मिला था वो कोविड के टाइम पे, वो तो आई थिंक OTT हैज सीन इट्स पीक.
But do you think that in the coming 5 years or 10 years we can see that people will not go to cinemas and people will?
नहीं, ये जो सिनेमा ऑडियंस जो है वो आई थिंक दे आर वेरी लॉयल मूवी गोअर्स. एंड जो एक्सपीरियंस you get while watching a film in a big cinema hall
with people,
और वो एक सबका रिएक्शन, कोई अगर कोई हंसनी कॉमेडी सीन है तो मतलब जब एक साथ हंसना होता है, और एक साथ जब कोई टेंस्ड मोमेंट होता है, तो जैसे मैं आई एम अगेन गिविंग यू एन एग्जांपल ऑफ मंजुमल एक्सप्रेस, सॉरी मंजुमल बॉयज. उसमें एक सीन में मतलब वो जो टेंशन जो है ना, मैं ऑडियंस ऐसे करके पूरी ऑडियंस में मतलब एक पूरा कोरस में ऐसे आवाज़ आ रही थी, तो वो एक्सपीरियंस घर पे बैठ के फ़ोन पे या टीवी पे देखने में नहीं आएगा।
Yes.
तो वो आई थिंक वो सिनेमा का एक्सपीरियंस कभी ख़त्म नहीं होगा, और मुझे नहीं लगता है कि सिनेमा का मैजिक कभी कम हो सकता है। इट विल ऑलवेज रिमेन, और फिल्में देखने का शायद बनाने का तरीका चेंज होता रहे, लेकिन वो ऑडियंस तो रहेगी।
Anjali, can we see one more national award coming to this film?
I definitely would like to see one more or
इंशाल्लाह।
many more to come, but I don't know when. I कोशिश है. All my efforts are towards not the national award, but towards good cinema and good work, and to evolve myself as an artist. But on that note, I would like to mention कि आज we just like an Indian actress, Anusuya Sen Gupta, won Best Actress, Best Performance in Cannes, which is like a great historic moment for all
Amazing.
of us. It's a very proud,
Yeah.
proud moment.
And Shahrukh ji, when can we see more of Family Man?
We've just started shooting for it for the third season, so अभी थोड़ा टाइम लगेगा, because राजन डी के टेक a lot of time उसको बनाने में अच्छे से, because वो जल्दबाजी नहीं करते हैं, अच्छे से बनाते हैं फिल्म सीरीज, जो भी करते हैं वो, तो थोड़ा टाइम लगेगा, बट हाँ जो बन रहा है वो बहुत कमाल बन रहा है। दैट आई कैन अश्योर यू।
Anjali ji, tell us something about your future projects. What are the future projects?
There are loads of them coming because पिछले 2 साल I think all I did was I was just shooting. I had no personal life. I was only on the sets. So there are one of Marathi film is releasing on 6th of December. It's a biopic. Another Marathi film I just wrapped before coming. And I finished a YRF web series called Akka, which will come in 2025. And an international film I finished with a Portuguese director that will go into, it will start its journey with the festivals, international festivals. And I finished 2 Hindi films, which will come next year or end of this year.
Lastly, one thing, what is the one message that you have to give to the audience as well as through this movie? What is the message you have to give?
मैं इस वक्त तो एक ही मैसेज देना चाहता हूँ कि 7 जून को मल्हार सिनेमा हॉल्स में रिलीज़ हो रही है। प्लीज़ प्लीज़ गो एंड वॉच द फिल्म, एंड आई एम श्योर यू आर नॉट गोइंग टू रिग्रेट इट, एंड गोइंग टू हैव अ ग्रेट टाइम व्हाइल वॉचिंग द फिल्म।
Yes, exactly. You will enjoy the experience. We have made this film with a lot of passion, with a lot of love. बहुत सारे लोगों की मेहनत है इसमें, and you will experience that love and that passion, and support cinema, support good cinema, and all of us need your love. So please go in theaters on 7th June and watch Malhar.
So, guys, here was the starcast of the film Malhar, giving us insight about the deep knowledge and how they have worked in the film. And here is Sharik Sheikh signing off from now. Stay tuned at SideTuner.com.